Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our fun English for Mathematics class. I hope you are all feeling amazing and full of energy to learn today. Today, we are going to explore a very interesting and visual topic, numeric equations and function. This topic is widely used in physics, sports, and architecture. And let's get started. Okay, before we check the equations, let's do a quick warm-up activity. Think about playing games like Angry Bird or shooting a basketball into a hoop. Does the bird or the ball fell in a straight line? Of course not. It forms a beautiful carpet, bouncing up and then falling back down. In mathematics, we call this curve a parabola, and it is controlled by quadratic concept. Okay, let's understand the definition first. What is quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is an equation where the highest exponent of the variable is equal to. The standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a must not equals 0. Here x is our variable, a and b are coefficient, and c is the constant. And next, how do we solve a quadratic equation? Solving means finding the values of x, which we call the roots of the equation. The first method is factoring, where we'll split the equation into two simple linear parts. The second, the second method is using the famous quadratic formula, or what we usually call rumus ABC. The formula is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Now let's connect this to a function. What is a quadratic function? A quadratic function is a function written as f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. The graph of this function is not a straight line, but a beautiful curve called a parabola. If the coefficient AC positive, the parabola opens up like a happy smile. But if A is negative, it opens down like a sad frown. This is a very easy way to remember it. Every parabola has unique features that help us do it. First, we have the vertex, also known as the turning point. It can be the minimum or maximum point. Second, we have the axis of symmetry. It is a vertical line that cuts the parabola exactly in half. We can find the axis of symmetry using the formula x equals minus b divided by 2a. You might ask, why do we study this in school? Where is the application? Well, civil engineers use quadratic curves to design suspension bridges. This specific shape helps distribute the weight evenly so the bridge does not collapse. Also, aerospace engineers use this function to calculate the maximum height of a rocket launch. Let's let's practice with a step-by-step problem to make sure we understand. We want to find the vertex and axis of symmetry of the function f of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 3. Step 1. Identify the identify the coefficient. Here, a equals 1, b equals minus 4, and c equals 3. Step 2. Calculate the axis of symmetry. Minus minus 4 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. So, x equals 2. And step 3, substitute, substitute, substitute x equals 2 into our function to find the y coordinate. 2 squared is 4 minus x plus 3, which equals minus 1. The result is our text point, 2 comma minus 1. Perfect. Now, it's time for a week student silent to test your knowledge. Look at this quadratic function. F of x equals minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2. There is this parabola opens up or down. Think about the coefficient a and write down your answers on your paper. I will give you 1 minute. No, I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, student, time is up. The correct answer is down because the coefficient A is minus 3, which is negative. And great job to everyone who got it right. You are officially math champion today. To summarize, quadratic function show that when if our path curves down, we can always find our vertex and climb back up. And thank you for your wonderful participation today. See you next time and see you next week and goodbye. Ta-da!